Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I filmed a handful of videos this morning, and when I was done, I realized that my nail tips were looking pretty yellow. This is most commonly a result of darker shades of nail lacquer or excessive use of polish, which I'm certainly guilty of. There are some products on the market to help whiten yellow nail tips, but there are also a ton of DIY recipes. And today I wanted to try one. After reading through a dozen or so, I settled on a 2-ingredient treatment. Watch until the end and let me know if you can tell a difference. For this whitener, you're going to need a small bowl or ramekin, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix the ingredients together until a paste forms, and once it's ready, brush it onto your fingertips or dip them so that you have a generous coat on your nails. Make sure you have enough of the paste beneath your nails as well. Let it sit for about 3 minutes, and then take a damp cloth or cotton ball and gently buff and wash the mix off of your nails. I used a Q-tip to remove anything left beneath the nail and followed it up with the corner of a damp cloth to ensure that the nails were clean. I didn't spruce up my nails or cuticles just yet because I wanted to show you exactly what the tips look like immediately after whitening. And while my fingers feel incredibly clean and refreshed, I don't know if I notice a major difference in tip color. Here is a side-by-side to help us really see. I do notice that the tips look a bit more opaque and maybe a smidge more white than they were, but I'm really curious to know what you think. Let me know below. Also, please share if you have any incredible at-home whitening treatments that have worked for you, or if you'd like me to try some others that I've seen online. There are remedies that involve lemon, toothpaste, denture cleaner, soap, and vinegar. Or we can just, try one of the professional products that was invented to help. But that is it for today. If you enjoyed this quick video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!